part 1 of this video series, we covered how to sign up for the White Label program. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to get your branded website information submitted so you can start selling skip tracing under your own brand within a week. Once you've met with Mike, you'll now be enabled to go to the White Label platform, which will give you the option under the White Label icon on the left side of the dashboard you selected earlier. You can just click on that icon and go to sign in with your account. From here, you can start setting up your White Label website. If you have an existing platform and do not want to build a new website, you can use our API documentation to integrate White Label into your platform. However, if you'd like to set up a website with us, this is where you'll do it. From here, you just enter in all of your company information that you'd like for your website. So for this one, put in the company name and the website address for the URL that you want your White Label website to be on. And then any support information for the email that you want people to contact when they're inquiring for help, and have this go to your team. Next, our White Label works with Stripe for payment processing. We require that you set up a Stripe account that is only used for White Label and not any other merchant activities. Once you set this up, please add info@skipforce.com as a developer in the Teams section of your Stripe account and fill in your Stripe credentials below, such as your publishable key and Stripe secret key. You will need to point your custom URL to our website. Please let us know if you'll take care of this yourself. If you have your own IT person, please provide their contact information here. This will allow us to point your domain to the new URL for your White Label platform. If not, you can just select the I will take care of this and have your IT person enter in the DNS information so that your website points to the right address. Then you can see here are some example pricings that we've set up for you. There are two databases, one is carrier, one is credit. Each one provides different data for your customers. You can see more information about the types of data details that each of your databases provides. You can get in-depth information on the differences in carrier data and credit data on our website at skipforce.com. But here is a brief overview. Carrier data is a completely unique database, and we are the exclusive supplier. The data provides up to 3 of the top numbers associated with the prospects by monitoring activity level over the past 12 to 24 months. It can identify the time of day the number is most active and then gives you the daily optimal call window, or best time of day to call. It also provides the number quality score, which tells you the best numbers to contact first, which we can monitor each number's usage level, allowing us to assign a grade to every single number. Carrier data features include 3 of the highest ranked phone number appends associated with the product, the optimal call window, the number quality score, and email add-ons are 3 cents. The credit data gives you a more traditional data set that you've seen from our competitors. This grades your numbers so you'll know which numbers are more closely associated with the prospect. Credit data features include up to 10 emails and phone numbers of the prospect, access to credit level data, and same tier 1 data provided by everyone else. It also provides AKAs, forwarding addresses, relatives info, indicators. One of the most unique features of SkipForce that no one else provides that's very powerful is our skip stacking feature. Because we provide 2 databases, any records that don't get a hit will waterfall to the next database to improve your accuracy. You can select which databases you want to run your list through based on the data points you're looking for. You can see how the waterfall works on the screen now. Basically, any non-hits get pushed to the next database to maximize your hit rate and accuracy. At this time, we do not provide you with the opportunity for tiered pricing yet. This is currently in development. When available, you'll be able to put in a range of prices as described above. At this time, just put in one price for carrier and credit for your clients. Here you can just enter in how much you want to charge them, so we've given you some example pricing here. You can choose to charge people, say 12 cents for carrier data and 13 cents for credit data when they get hits only. That's how much you will charge them, and you'll keep the profits. There is a landing page we can create for you, which has one-time setup fee of $500. You can see here the different templates. If you select the template full preview right here, it will pop open and you can take a look at how the site will look. We'll then put your branding on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and select the blue theme. There are 5 themes for you to select from. We just need your logo. So you want to make sure you upload your logo so that it has these dimensions listed. Once you've uploaded your logo, this will be the logo that shows on your site. Then you can add a non-text version of the logo under the dimensions that are displayed here as well, which will be used in other places on your site. The next step is to upload your favicon, which is basically your logo, shrunk down to 48 pixels by 48 pixels so that it comes in small, and you'll want to do it in a PNG file, not an ICO file. Then you're going to want to upload the About Us content in a Word document or a text document file so we know what to put for your About Us section and then for your Contact Us page. If there's any content you'd like for that as well, you'll upload that here. Once you've completed the application, you go ahead and submit the registration button at the bottom, and then it will tell you what your total fee will be with tax included. Now you've submitted your application, our team will be in review on your application and get started on building out your website. And within 7 days, you should be able to start selling your own skip tracing services under your brand. Thanks so much.